Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now this is an emergency video because I found a new scam project, okay? And I'm gonna show you it's 100% a scam project because it's called Soar Big, okay? First of all, if you have been subscribed to the channel for a long time, you know what we are looking for. We are looking for, has the project been KYC'd? Has the contract been audited? Do the people show their faces, okay? So let me show you. This is gonna be a quick one. First of all, they say, okay, you can make in 24 hours, you can make 4.5% per hour, or 4.6 and so on, blah 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 blah. Okay, if someone is stupid enough, sorry, no offense guys, but they just want to scam you because there is no KYC. They don't even show their contract. The contract has not been audited. There's zero. There's really zero, zero, zero. This entire project just consists of red flags. So I can guarantee you basically how it works. If you would invest now, for example, let's say maybe you make a little bit back, but at one point this just relies on new people coming in. Okay, so example, if you would take this one here, 4.5% per for 24 hours per hour, this means if someone new comes in and they deposit their money, they could possibly pay you your reward back. Okay, so but at one point no one new will come in, or basically they will just decide, okay, we have this and this money in the contract, we're just gonna rug pull and we're gonna take the money. Okay guys, so as always, no financial advice, always do your own research, but this project will be gone. Okay, listen to me, don't invest. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but don't invest. This is gonna be rug pulled for sure. They're gonna take the liquidity out and that's it. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.